Hey everybody, I'm Pat to my girl. This is because Ministries ASL lesson. Whoa. You know that the deaf love to make noise when they're talking in ASL. It's uh it's like in some speech hearing people would speak and then they boom the drum. We get the point, right? Same way with the deaf, making the noise with their voice. And they're not talking. Many can't talk, but they make the noise. For example, bow, bow. I'm drawing a word at this person. Bow. Or bep, 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 bep. They can't hear the sound of the real thing that like you were hitting somebody. That's the real sound. But they can't hear that. So they go bep, 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 bep. They make their own uh visual effect. I mean audio effect. Make it more interesting in the conversation. More than just nine. It's how they make those noise get more dramatic. And that's very good in expression. Right. Matter of fact. Look at all these more and more that faster now in Hollywood. Including me. I'm in two films. And on stage. Gramercy. Balady Balor. Ciao.